Hey guys, and welcome to Noisy Minecraft Tutorials. This is my first tutorial, so let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Technic Launcher mod pack for your Minecraft. So, what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, and it should bring you up to a Technic page, so let's go to it. Oops, there we go. Technic Launcher. And then we're going to start from the home page. So, you're going to press download and click if you're Mac, Windows, or Linux. So then you should get, alright, whatever. You should get a zip file. Double click it, it'll give you this. Now if we go into the Technic Launcher, it should load. So this mod, it includes the Yogbox, the Technic, the Tekkit, Voxel, Hackmine, and Vanilla. So we're just going to start off with Vanilla, I guess. Alright, so you're going to pick your mod, log into your Minecraft, and then it's going to install the mod onto your computer without you having to go into your bin and everything. So basically it's a hassle-free mod, I guess, if you want to say it like that. So it's going to start up like Minecraft usually does. As you can see, it still says 1.2.3 and creative. Alright. I believe Vanilla is Minecraft at the beginning when I first started. I'm not completely sure. Okay, so you can see we only get these stuff in Vanilla except for the emails. So you get all the oh wait, actually some of the stuff. Alright, this is a bad example. So let's see here. Actually my favorite one is the Hack/Mine, which is basically an RPG, and I'll be showing you that. And I play on this all the time, and it's just fantastic. So I don't know why the vanilla didn't really work. It's supposed to give you the what is it? Sorry, lost it. The regular Minecraft, if I'm right, because that's what vanilla is. I think, I don't know. I'll have to search it up. Alright, so let's go with a dwarf mage. Actually, I want to show you the ranger. Alright, so first of all, we get all the things, and let's see there. So you're gonna get everything in the game, all the wands. Bone one. Oop, that's one. This is all the stuff in the mod too, so I have no idea what this does. So. Oh god, it's lagging. Alright. Oh. It's a really strong weapon, evidently. So, you can obviously... Okay, here's the dungeon. And basically the dungeons consist of... actually, to be honest, I haven't explored a dungeon, I've only explored a tower. So, we're gonna go on in here. And as you can see, you kind of have a arena to fight through. And little obstacles. That's cool. You're gonna get some cool stuff sometimes. Sometimes you'll get pretty bad stuff. Oh. And wow, this one looks really bad. Now, in this mod, lava's not really as dangerous as it sounds. And, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you do get power-ups, so if I hold shift and press 1, I will jump super high. And, yeah, so, actually just trying to find I don't even know. Alright, whatever. What's this? This is weird. Okay, this is a really weird dungeon, so we're gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna go show you the tower, because that's a little more interesting. So, if we find the entrance of the tower, just gonna say it right. Alright, it's right there. Alright, so here's a tower, and the floor's holding sometimes. Bigger dungeons will do this, or towers will do this because it has to be more challenging. So you're gonna fight your way all the way through this, kill a bunch of stuff, and then you will be granted doom slippers, funny looking pants of broccoli, I guess. No. Wow, this is actually really good. This is like the best thing I've ever seen. Oh, that was really good. So, the seed is NMT if you want to put on the sword. And there's sheep up here, and that's wonderful. So, yeah, you'll get everything from Minecraft, and then you'll get everything from the mod. I don't believe that you can spawn any of the bad guys, so yeah. It's a dragon bow. Oh, there's a dragon. Oh, I did not know that. Kind of confused. I've never seen any of this. Just alright, there you go. Oh wow, that's a lot of damage. In the butt. In the butt. In the face. Okay. Wonderful. So, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like. And yeah, so. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. Alright guys, I'll see you later.